You've written a lot of interesting programs already, and that's great, but one capability that was lacking so far was to be able to ask the user to supply input. Here's how you do it in Java. Just like you use system.out for output, you use system.in to get input from the user, but as it turns out, system.in is not very smart, and to really read numbers and strings from the keyboard, you use an object of the scanner class. You construct a scanner with a new operator, new scanner, and this is a scanner that can read from system.in. Usually you want to read more than one input, so it makes sense to save the scanner in a variable. Here it is. It's called in, and of course it's of type scanner. Then when the time has come to read something, you call one of the methods of the scanner class. Here I call the nextInt method. It reads an integer that the user types in and returns it, and here I'm saving that integer in the age variable. So you should think of a scanner kind of like a supermarket scanner, except the supermarket scanner of course reads a barcode, and our scanner here reads something from the user and also produces some number. The program snippet that I've written here is not quite complete. After all, how is the user supposed to know that they're now asked for their age? So before calling a scanner method that reads user input, you always want to alert the user first with a statement such as this one. This string here, how old are you, is called a prompt string. It prompts the user to then take the next step and provide an input. Note that with the prompt string, we put a blank space here. That just looks prettier so that the user's input is a little bit separated. When you print the prompt, it looks prettier when both the prompt and the user input are on the same line. That's why we're using print and not print on here. And then you want to have a blank space to separate the prompt from the user input. Here we read an integer. You can also read a decimal number by calling next double. That returns a double. And again, you would then want to capture it in a variable. Let me demo this in BlueJ so you can see what it looks like before you get to try it yourself.